केसरवाळ केळशी कुठ्ठारे जी झर आसा ती गोयच्या भौसा खातीर झर आसा. तिचे खासगीकरण करपाक दिवचे न्हय, ती फुडल्या पिळगे खातीर राखची म्हण मागणी थंयच्या लोकांनी केल्या. RDX को ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
On 10th of May, the e-tender was floated by the Goa Tourism Development Corporation, in which it states that there is a hotel is coming in that area, which is around 35 rooms, and the category of the hotel is 3 plus, 3 star plus above. So the purpose of the spring is we should get a natural water which is coming, which contains minerals and which has got the medicinal effects. Medicinal effects which will be destroyed totally.
The spring basically belongs to the people, and the people have got the first right onto the spring. And to approach or to go and have a bath in the spring, nobody has to take permission or no call from anybody. Moreover, what has happened is that because of excessive extraction of water by the industries, the level of the water, ground water has come down. They almost gone down to almost 1.6 meters. We object to it strongly. As a Goan, we should object, and we are objecting to it strongly because this is nothing but a commercial stunt, and it's like a scam which is just coming out now,